Hello guys, you are watching a little bit computer. Today I will show you how you can insert time, date in MS Excel. So first we have to open MS Excel. Now we are going to open MS Excel. So we will take blank workbook and this is called the worksheet or you can say spreadsheet. And here is written sheet 1. If you want to take one more sheet, click here. Now second sheet is inserted. So now we are going to insert we are going to insert date and time. So first we will see date by through the functions. So first we will write equal and then we will write today and then parenthesis or you can say bracket, and after that press enter. Now you can see here this is the date, today's date. And if you want to insert by the shortcut key, then you have to press Ctrl and then semicolon, and you will see date will get inserted. And suppose if you want to format the date, then you have to simply click here and come on the home tab. In a home tab, there you can see format cells. Click on it. Here is given format cells. In a format cells, here is written data. Here is written date, not a data. So you can see which types of format you want to apply. Click on it and then click OK button. You can see here is applied that types of format. If we have to apply the time, so what we have to do, we will simply write equal, and now here will come both time and date, parenthesis or you can say bracket, press enter. Now you can see date and time is inserted. If you want to insert in a shortcut, then Ctrl, Shift and semicolon. Then you will see there is time inserted. So thanks for watching a little bit computer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.